Hello everyone, I'm Tony from Axiomtek, Intelligent Retail Solution Department. Now I'm introduce the Axiomtek AI in Retail solution. So how AI is changing the retail? Okay, or we can say how AI is changing the retail behavior. And we list the 10 the reason. The first, AI can provide become to a unmanned shop store because we can reduce number of the employee and you can save the operating the expense. The second, AI can provide the chatbot assist customer service because the AI chatbot can provide a high level of customer service and they can record the customer and analyze the big data. And it could be improve the service and send a notification about the new series and recommend a similar product. And the third is the in-store assistance because the service we can in AI in the future can provide the service operating the robot can provide a customer relate inquiry and handling for other service. The third can provide a price adjustment because the application of the AI in retail store can help the companies set the price for their product and visualize the possible result of multiple price status. And the five is price prediction because in the future a lot of the reason can impact to the pricing. For example, the season or material or retail or others reason because the forecasting is the forecast of a product pricing is based on the demand, seasonal trade and transit and other release the date and send the new product. The sixth, we can the supply chain management and the logistics because the AI in the future, this is very important in the future because every retailer, the shop store, the supply chain management is very important because the AI can provide they can have how to routing and the material and the difference the vendor's price and the trade promotion and others the parts can provide how to improve the supply chain management. And the visual search in the future, AI can provide the customer just need a picture and the research to write the product or write the pricing or write the vendor. And the eighth is a voice search. We can use the Google or Amazon, the AI the technology, provide the customer with the simple and the quick voice search in the kiosk. Okay, and the customer, the nine is a customer the certification the checking because we need to focus in the customer layer emotion because customer emotion will be to in future in customer is very important for the shop store. So we need to focus in the customer the emotion. So we can AI can provide the certification the checking. And the 10 is customer the behavior the prediction because the we need the shop store need to focus in the different season or different timing provide difference the promotion to customer and or difference the product or different the pricing to difference the segment the customer. Okay, the next is so we can check AI in AI retail the architecture. For in a normal retail, they have a lot of the subsystem. For example, they have a customer management system, the cash flow system, procurement system, pricing system, logistic, and inventory and the kiosk or and the online system. A lot of system, but in the future, let the system the data were to be sent to the decision database and using the big data and provide the AI analyze and send it to subsystem to different analyze. For example, we just talked about have a customer promotion. Maybe we can using in the pricing using the cash flow system and a customer management system. And we can combine the two data and provide to online system or provide to kiosk system for different promotion. Or we can provide the customer management system and the pressure system and the logistics system and provide the raw data to and a big using the AI for big data and send to pricing system for different the pricing. So in the AI in the future is very important in the retail system. Okay, so we conclusion the 5 major trade in the innovative application of the AI the technology. The first is AI will improve of the digital operating of the physical store. And the second is a digital model where to realize customer and centric multi-channel operating. This is very important. And the third, AI voice. The AI voice, the service has become an important human to computer the interface and the data collection interface, especially in the COVID-19. Okay, and the big data, the driving the supply chain and improve operating the efficiency. This is also in the shop store, the supply chain is very important. And the value of the people and the service in the enterprise to be in the region. Okay, first we will introduce our sales at the kiosk SSK 550 because we can look a little bit ID the design. This is on shape design, so you can see this is the difference the kiosk the ID. And the first, this screen is 15.6 the resolution, and this is a portrait the solution, and this is a Full HD the resolution. And in here we have a barcode scanner and have a thermal printer, and here have a RFID, my fair the RFID reader, and also you can remove this RFID and put on the different solution. And here we can customize the logo for different customer. And also you can see the left side. This is a very cylindrical the kiosk. The maximum the body size is under 90 millimeters, so it's very slim. And also you can remove this plate and become to a wall mount solution. And you can see in the back side here have a wall mount kit can support a wall mount solution, and here have a maintenance door and a cable out because some of the EFT the ports maybe need to use through this cable for different device. And then here have a LED the light bar because this light bar could be removable to fix different solution. And also this LED light bar can support true color solution, and you can difference the breathing colorful solution. And here we design here using the SD and the module. So this is a very easy upgrade and maintenance because you just need a 2 screw and move out the CPU motherboard and upgrade your DRAM, upgrade your M.2 the storage and plug it in. So it's a very easy maintenance. So SSK 515 is a very easy fit to different application and the different table, and it could be used in a different situation. Also, this some of customers they will use in the healthcare solution. Okay, so let's introduce. Hello everyone, I will introduce the Axiomtek first kiosk, and this model name this is a SSK 315, and we call this one the Regatta. And this Regatta is we application can use in the food, beverage, hospitality, fashion retail, healthcare, currency, the retail, government, transportation, and entertainment industrial. And also we can support, you can see we support 15.6 the LCD display. And this is a high brightness 400 nits. And PCAT, and we use the rebounding, so this LCD is very colorful. And also with the all-in-one design, so we design in the thermal print, barcode scanner, RFID module, all these we can option. And also we designed a 2 daisy LED light bar. You can see one is in the top side and the bottom side. You can show the different situation or different application to your customer. And also the maintenance store have a two. One of the front side and the back side. Front side you just have a very swipeable key and push the button and put down the maintenance store and very easy change the thermal printer, and over every key part is modularized. So if you need the maintenance or swap the key part, you just need to move out the different parts. It doesn't need to send to back to whole unit. And we will design a very cable in the inside. Okay, and we designed it because this is the Axiomtek, the first kiosk. So we designed this one. We were very care about for the ID. So in the Outlook doesn't have any screw. So you can see this is a very stylish kiosk. Also in the back side, we support using the SDM module. So this could be very easy maintenance and a very easy upgrade to your system. For example, if you want to change from the Xeron to the i5, you just pull out the CPU module, SDM module, and change another one. This is a very easy upgrade. And also, if you want to enter the new Wi-Fi, you change the module. And this is the maintenance store. And also, if you want to put the customer logo in here, we can customize the customer logo in here. Okay, so this is our SSK 350, and also we design a multi-stand for different application. For example, we design a multi-stand for the RFID printer and ticket printer. So and passport scanner. So this could be support hospitality. And in the retail, we also design a powerful retail barcode scanner and weight scanner, so you can sensing difference the luggage. Okay, hi everyone. This is Axiomtek, a new generation kiosk. This is the SSK 321 Yoga. We call it the Yoga because this monitor could be adjusting and the location. Okay, and I will introduce the application because we can meet in food and beverage, hospitality, fashion retail, healthcare, and government and industrial. And we provide a 21.5 inch the LCD display and PCAP 10-point touch. And the LCD display support the high brightness 500 nits the panel, so it can meet the semi-outdoor application. Also, we provide a 2 daisy LED light bar, so you can meet the different application. But in the first, we call this the yoga because this yoga could be adjust the angle and the rotation. So you can, for different application, adjust your angle and you can rotate the display. So you can meet the different customer layer application and different software. Okay, so you can see the point. We have a very slim body because we just threw some of the cable to the device. And the device could be support thermal printer, barcode scanner, and RFID. Also, this cover could be customized for different customer logo. And also, this one is all-in-one design and option device. So, device box board and the AIO could be separate parts for shipment. So you can set your shipment cost. Also, we can customize the option box for different customer. And also, this is a very different solution. You see, this doesn't have any key or button in the front maintenance door. So in here, we have a hiding here and very easy push in here, and a very easy pull out the maintenance board. And everything is a modular design, so you can very easy swappable the device. So this key is a hiding, so you doesn't have any key in the Outlook. Also, in this back side, we also will design for cable management. So you will see this is very clean the back side in here. Okay, so This is the SSK 321. Hi everyone, this is the SSK 527. This is the Axiomtek AI kiosk. Why we call it the AI kiosk because this can support the AI function for identify the object solution. And this application we apply can meet food and beverage, fashion retail, healthcare, and the government industry. And this supports 27-inch and with the PCAT 10-point touch, and the high brightness the LED light bar, LED. And also, what we call this can support a AI function because in the monitor button side, this have a 5 megapixel camera and also support a PIR sensor. Can automate the turn on the LED light bar because if we put the object here and the LED light bar can trigger auto trigger and the camera can auto sense it. Okay, and in the button side here have a thermal print, and here have a barcode scanner in the top side, and the mouse pad can support some of the physical challenge of people because they cannot touch this touch screen, so they can use the mouse pad operating this system. And then here we have an LED light bar. It can support to employee to check if customer they operating this system have if they have some problem, they can identify this light bar color and can help the customer. Okay, and this one we use the Intel Core i5 system. So this perfect match the AI the kiosk the solution. Okay, so this is a we already ship and mass production to ship to American and some of the coffee shop. Okay, thank you. And actually, we how we can offer what kind of we can do. The first, in fact, finding an idea generation because we will work close with our customer and our partner, and we will work with our customer together and empathizing, defining, and ideating, and the prototype test to customer. We will work close together with our customer because every shop store or every retail, every customer, their requirement is different. Okay, empathizing because the in the customer we will get the customer requirement, but customer maybe requirement just a simple requirement. Maybe they just need a kiosk, just like that, but they don't know what their detail they want how to operating. So we were discussing with our customer and our check in our customer they realize the requirement to, and maybe we were to go to their shop store and watching and detail their solution, and we understand the scope of the customer application. So we were double check and we were sketching and we were discussing, and we will from the customer the perspective, and the next we will keep the discussion with our customer. For example, we will provide a very easy sketch in the paper or sketch in some of the drawing to our customer for detailed discussion. So the next is that's very important. We will provide a prototype, not just the ID, not just the picture, not just a drawing. We will any artwork, the pattern doesn't have any faster work prototyping. So you in customer you want to have a lot of the kiosk in the drawing. They just not just a kiosk put in your face and you can direct operating. That's a very you can very directly and you can tell to what difference and what you want. So you can see the picture. The left one is first generation in one of our customer. Last one, this is AI the kiosk. They are dual body and 32-inch, but they think this is dimension is too huge, so they want a smaller. So we were designing a new one, the second generation, a single body. And the third request, they want just a very easy for sales service. So they want a countertop and they want a warm up the solution. So we design for him a very smaller and slimmer kiosk for him. So in Axiomtek, our standard dash. In Axiomtek, we can our meet unique the need for various customers. So we can provide the ID, the design, and we can provide the ME, the design, mechanical design, system design, accessory design, production, and the quality control. In the ID, we can meet very quality for the picture, and we will join a very fashion or famous picture to customer. And the mechanical side, we will think about how to maintain it, how to shipment, how to easy for operating. And in accessory design, we have a lot of the vendor supply chain. For example, Accent, Honeywell, all is our supplier, so we can provide a very famous and easy assembly and easy quick provide a good quality accessory design and provide production and quality control. Okay, thanks everybody.